Hi, my name is Erin Burt. I started my law firm in 2010. At that time, I felt that there really was a need for divorce options in DuPage County. Prior to opening my firm, I was a divorce litigator. I saw a lot of cases go through the court system. There was a lot of cases that needed to go through the court system because they couldn't communicate with the other party at all. There was violence, or there was mental or physical abuse, and therefore they needed to hand the case over to a judge to listen to all of the facts and possibly listen to experts that could help move that family forward and restructure itself. I also saw a lot of cases go through the court system that didn't need to. They were spouses that just decided things weren't going to work out. They were amicable, they were able to communicate, and while they had their differences, they realized that they didn't want to go through a protracted litigation experience. I regularly mediate cases that involve parental responsibility, custody, visitation, and removal of children from the state of Illinois. Meaning, if families decide to relocate to another state, they need to work it out with their former spouse or partner before they can remove the children from the state. In 2009, I realized that I wish there was a different option that I could offer my clients instead of going straight through the court system. At that time, I got trained in collaborative divorce. Nobody knows what it's like to live in a certain person's family. Only that person does. And isn't it a better idea to think that the family can sit around the table, have professionals that can give them the appropriate legal advice and support, help them to restructure their family so that they can move forward. In collaborative law, you really sit down with the family, you bring in financial neutrals proactively instead of waiting until something happens. You sit down with the family, you possibly bring in child specialists to work with the family to let them know the repercussions of a divorce and how best to handle that for their children. And when you sit down with that family, you can come up with an agreement that is workable so that you don't have to see those people in court within 2 years' time because guess what? It wasn't a workable agreement.